Why does my iPhone turn off by itself? How to fix it? There's no need to worry so much. Here in this guide, we shall offer what you want. Part 1. Why does my iPhone keep turning off and on? Unmatched driver, attacks from malware, failed software update, hardware issues. Part 2. iPhone keeps turning on and off. 7 quick solutions to fix it. Solution 1. Check iPhone battery. To check your iPhone battery health, tap on iPhone settings battery health. If it is low in maximum capacity, there might be something wrong with the battery. Solution 2. Offload useless apps. iPhone randomly turns off. It's time to clear off unnecessary apps that you do not use anymore. By offloading them, you can make your device run more smoothly. Solution 3. Hard reset iPhone. If you find that your iPhone keeps shutting off or iPhone won't charge, you can do a hard reset on it. By doing so, you may be able to break your iPhone out of the loop. Solution 4. Put iPhone into DFU mode. Restoring iPhone from a backup via DFU mode can be a workaround if your iPhone randomly shuts off unexpectedly. You'll need to try a DFU restore of your iPhone. Solution 5. Update iOS. To fix troublesome software issues and introduce some new features, Apple releases new versions of iOS frequently. A new software update can help solve a potential problem, like iPhone keeps shutting off and restarting. Solution 6. Contact Apple. Have tried all the above, but still, iPhone shuts down randomly? Your device might undergo a more severe problem. If you have Apple Care Plus, just run to get it fixed. If not, get an estimate and weigh the cost of the repair against that of upgrading to a new device. Part 3. Fix. iPhone keeps turning off and back on, issue with no data loss. That's a cinch for iOS system recovery. As one of the most sophisticated iOS repair tools, it can help resolve 50+ iOS mode or iDevice or screen or iTunes issues.